Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we will guide you through 5 easy steps to set up and use one-handed mode on your Samsung device. Step 1. Access settings. Swipe down your notifications and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to one-handed mode. Scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Look for one-handed mode and toggle the switch to turn it on. Then, tap on one-handed mode to proceed. Step 3. Choose navigation layout. Here, you can choose the navigation layout that suits you best. If you have the 3-button navigation, select either gestures or buttons for activating one-handed mode. If you're using gestures, a quick swipe down at the bottom will do the trick. For the button option, just double-tap the home button. Step 4. Utilize one-handed mode. Enter one-handed mode by using your preferred method. Your screen will now shrink, making it easier to reach everything with one hand. You can go back to full screen mode using the same gesture or double tap. Step 5. Customize one-handed mode. You can customize the one-handed mode to suit your needs. Move the white bar at the top by clicking the arrow, adjusting its position on either side of the screen. Additionally, resize the one-handed mode by dragging the corner to make it bigger or smaller. It will remember your settings for next time. Remember, you can activate one-handed mode anywhere on your phone. Just tap the settings icon while in one-handed mode to access the options again. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.